Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start our first chapter in microeconomics, which I already uploaded in Moodle. Let's I show you the chapter. This is the chapter. The scope and method of economics. The chapter outline. Why study economics? Because it's the first chapter of economics, so we have to know why we study economics. First thing, to learn a way of thinking, to understand the society, to understand global affair, and to be informed voter. What is the scope of economics? There are two branches of economics: microeconomics and macroeconomics. A diverse field of economics. Method of economics. There are two types of method of economics: theories and models. Economics. First of all, we need to know what is the economics. Economics is the study of how individual and society choose to use the scarce resource and that nature and previous generation have provided. What is the scarce resource? The scarce resource which is available in the limit form. Limit in the limit means it will be finished. If we use more and more, it will be finished. That type of resource is called a scarce resource. And which resource is unlimited, which not finished, that is not called a scarce. So we have to know how to use the scarce resource like petroleums, oils, minerals, etc. Why study economics? That to learn a way of thinking the three fundamental concepts: opportunity cost, marginalism, and efficient marketing. Let's we discuss what is the opportunity cost, marginalism, and efficient market. Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means that in the simple definition, the best alternative that we forego or give up when we make a choice or decision. Here, the message that is care means limited, which will be finished if we use more like this. In other way, the opportunity cost means what we are going to pay to get something. That is opportunity cost. I will discuss this simple question here about that chapter also. Marginalism, the process of analyzing the additional or incremental cost or benefit arising from a choice or decision. Why study economics? Again, the efficient market. What efficient market? Efficient market which profit opportunity are eliminated most instantly means where you get uh, profit immediately, instant profit you can get. The ideal efficient market where the buyers and sellers are more, that is called efficient market. That is good opportunity for the entrepreneur and for the consumer also. Here there are two type of economics. First microeconomics, another macroeconomics. We have to differentiate into two branches. The microeconomics is the branch of economics that examines the functioning of individual industry and behavior of individual decision making. It's business firms and household means how you are manage your economics at your home by your salary, how you are manage your small shop, how you are managed by your small business, that is microeconomics, means small level. That is economics for individual, means at home how much money required to run a home, how much money required for the saving, like that. Macroeconomics, generally microeconomics are a study of economics for the whole country. It's a large level. The branch of economics that examine the economics behavior of aggregates, income, employment, output, and so on national scale, means for the country level. Positive economics, an approach to economics that seek to understand behavior and operation of system without making judgments, describe what exists and how it works. Normative economics, an approach to economics that analyze outcome of economic behavior, values them as good or bad, and may prescribe course of action and also called policies. It's a policy. We have to take decision which decision is good, which decision is bad, like that. Descriptive and economic theory, the completion of the data there describe phenomena and facts. It's based on data. Economic theory, it's based on statement, cause and effect, action and reaction. Theory and model. Model, a formal statement of theory, usually mathematical statement or statistical statement, like that. If we are using the data's equations, present the information, that is called model. Variable, a measure that can change from time to time or from observation to observation. Theory and models, expressing model in words, graph and equation. Generally we are using graphs, equation, tables, data, words to express the model of economics. The most common factor of expressing the quantitative relationship between two variables is graphic, the relationship on the two-dimensional plane, a graph. Economic policy. So this is the most important slide. The criteria of judging economics outcome: efficiency, equity, growth, and stability. Efficiency. Efficiency. What efficiency? In economics, allocative efficiency. An efficient economy is one that produces what people want at the least possible cost. Means least possible cost means least possible money, least possible time, least possible workforce, etc. Equity is very simple. It's fairness. Fairness in all outcomes, in all inputs, like this. Growth, the overall increase in outcome in economy, it's called economic growth. Stability, a condition in which national output is growing steadily with the low inflation and full employment of resources. How to read and understand the graph? This is the more important things. A graph of two dimensional represent of a set of numbers of data. Time series graph shows how a single variable changes over time. This is also time series graph because here we mentioned the year means times, yes, and the total disposable in personal income. This is the income. and this is the continuation. For example, here you mention the year like this 75, 80, 85, 90 like this, and you base here you put the income. For example, 1975 1181.4. So 1181.4 you mention here like this, and then you join this the graph. So you can get the information from graph as well as table. How to read and understand, how to draw the graph. It's very simple. Uh, the graph is two dimensional. This line is called y and this line is called x. I think you already learned these things in math for business as well as in basic mathematics in foundation. So this is the plus of x 1, 2, 3 plus positive value. Here negative value of x. Here positive value of y. Here negative value of y. Same here. Here you mention average income, average consumption, both side income and consumption. Here the average consumption, here average income. This is the value 9697 here. This 9697. Same corresponding 19120, 19120. Here you may put and you join the point. Slope. Slope, if you choose any two value in the x direction and xy direction and use this graph, the slope, the change in y divided by change in x. For example, you choose two value of y, y2 and y1. So separate y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x. Then you find the ratio that is called slope. Here some example. These two value of y1, y2, these two value of x1. So this line slope. This also you learn in the basic maths. If line goes like this direction, this is positive slope. If line goes like this direction, it's a negative slope. This is slope positive because going this direction and then decreasing. Slope not like same. Here slope positive and increasing. Going up but not like same. Here slope negative and increasing because going down. Negative and decreasing. Positive then negative. Negative and positive. This is also another graph. So in this chapter, you read the all theoretical concept of this chapter in slides, and I will also provide some question bank to you for your study, and the remaining, and then we will arrange the test and quiz, multiple choice quiz. So thank you for watching this video, and this is the for chapter 1, and we will continue next chapter with some question and queries. Okay, thank you. And I will provide the questions through model. And see you on meeting on Thursday. Thank you.